Bonjour mes amis, welcome to French Made Easy. Today we are diving into the world of French subject pronouns. Have you ever wondered why French has many ways to say you, or why it does not always translate directly? Well, you are in for a treat because we are about to unravel these mysteries. Stick around, and by the end of the video, you'll be a pro at French subject pronouns. Let's get started. Les pronoms sujets, the subject pronouns. First, let's break down what subject pronouns are. They are simply words that replace the subject in a sentence. In English, we have I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. But French takes it up a notch with a few more options. Let's start with the singular pronouns. Je means I. Simple enough, right? Tu is the informal way to say you. Use this with friends and family. Il means he or it for masculine nouns. Elle means she or it for feminine nouns. And on is a tricky one. It can mean one, we, or even they in some cases. Now, for the plural pronouns, nous means we, just like in English. Vous is the formal you or plural you all. Il means they for a group of all males or mixed gender. Elle means they for a group of all females. Let's look at some examples to make it clear. Je mange une pomme. I eat an apple. Tu aimes le café. You like coffee. Informal. Il est grand. He is tall or it is big for a masculine noun. Elle est belle. She is beautiful or it is beautiful for a feminine noun. On va au cinéma. We are going to the movies. It's casual form. Now, let's tackle some common challenges. The formal vous can be tricky for English speakers. Use it with people you don't know well, like your boss or a stranger. For example, vous êtes très gentil. You are very kind, formal. Another challenge is on. It's often used casually to mean we. For instance, on va manger. Shall we eat? Here is a tip to remember the gender-specific plurals. Think of il as ils, elle for le garçon, boys, and elle as illes, double L for les filles, girls. Let's practice with a small story. Je suis allé au parc hier. I went to the park yesterday. Il faisait beau. It was nice weather. J'ai vu mes amis là-bas. I saw my friends there. Nous avons joué au football. We played soccer. Ils étaient très forts. They were very good. On s'est bien amusé. We had a lot of fun. Also, remember that French does not use it as much as English does. Instead of saying it's raining, we say il pleut. Literally, it rains. Another tip is to watch French movies with subtitles. Pay attention to how they use subject pronouns in different contexts. Remember, mastering subject pronouns takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process. And there you have it. You are now equipped with the knowledge of French subject pronouns. Remember, practice makes it perfect. Try using these pronouns in your everyday French conversations. Did you find this video helpful? If so, don't forget to like and subscribe for more French language tips. Also, leave a comment with your favorite French pronoun. Mine is on. Merci et à bientôt. Bye bye.